How'd it go again? Well, it's day 3 of our GLAMIS adventure. Haley's gonna get on that quad and ride today, and I'm gonna get on the dirt cycle. Was it like that?
Yeah.
Is that how I do it?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Hey, it's day 3, the final day of our pre-Thanksgiving in GLAMIS. Randall took off this morning. Sad. So I set out all his cones. He left them for us. Coned off a perimeter in a circular fashion, so we're protected. But he took off at like 6:30. We got plans today to just do some riding. So Haley is gonna ride the quad. I'm gonna ride the dirt bike. Pretty much the majority of the day. And if she gets tired of the quad, she'll drive the Razor. I don't think I'm gonna drive it anymore this weekend. And I'm gonna stay on my bike all day. So that's pretty much the plan for the day. It's gonna be fun. Thanksgiving was awesome last night. The food turned out great. The turkey cooked amazingly, fall off the bone type meat. Randall did such a good job. He takes all the credit for everything like usual. Just kidding. Nah, he did a great job. He pretty much did everything. We just wrapped the bird, shoved a bunch of butter in it, and he stuck it in the hole. So Pitmaster, good work. It's gonna be a good day. It's time to ride. Let's go.
A few minutes later.
Wow, you're so strong. How the hell did you do that?
Lunchtime, it was good. We had some leftover biscuits. I recommend. I ate the rest of the turkey that we did have. Some chips, some Dr. Pepper, all the good stuff. So, how'd you like the quad?
I loved it.
Yeah?
I think I liked it more than the side-by-side.
Really? I didn't even know that. That's a big thing to say. It's a bold statement. It's a bold-faced lie. Yeah, you did really, really good. We made it out there as you guys saw to the flag and cruised back, did some small dunes, and did really, really good. Really proud of you there.
Nice.
But yeah, we're just chilling. We're having lunch with the pups, and people are starting to pull in. Sorry, it's all blown out back there, but people are pulling in and leaving. It's really weird. People are going and coming all at the same time. It's a strange day, but it's Monday, and I really don't know what the rest of the day is going to bring. I don't like getting out of gear once I'm in gear, so like I said, I'm probably going to ride. She can decide if she wants to do more quad. I think we're going to do probably another ride on the quad, so the bikes. Do the Razor this afternoon, maybe. One ride with the Razor, and that's about all I got. I don't know. Keep kicking around the idea of doing the motorhome tour because several people have asked for a tour of the motorhome and what I bring and all that stuff. Can you see me? Yeah, I guess you can see me. Am I zoomed in? Relax. Whoa. And I just don't know if I feel like doing that today, but I never feel like doing that. I don't know. We'll see. I really don't know. I don't know. It's the last day. I'm just chilling. All right. See you guys in a little bit. Bye. Man. Made it all the way to Olds. Without taking Sand Highway.
Without wrecking.
Good job. No Sand Highway. She didn't die. She did good work. So I took her through the the small dunes right there, kind of through that valley, and it wasn't flawless, but you did really good though. You did really good. Proud of you.